Well, I'm ready when you guys are. Mike, why do you keep switching?
Why not?
Mm-mm.
Why don't you keep switching?
Got you there.
So nobody can steal my, cute French girl from me? Mostly.
So, Brian, back to our conversation about guns the other day.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna thank me when the zombie apocalypse happens.
I don't... Well, if we follow it by, NATV standards, sounds is bad, so...
Well, thank God it's really hard to get suppressors in the United States.
Also, suppressors don't work like that.
No. But Brian, in the movie,
In the movies, though, they're completely silent.
John Wick 3, right? They
Yeah,
shoot
dude.
each other in an airport.
And nobody noticed. Like, sorry, but that's not how... That's not how they
Don't get me
work.
wrong, that's a badass scene. But at the same time, you're like, oh, okay.
Nonsense. No one leaves the French Riviera willingly.
I don't know.
Why are they acting like France is such a badass militia? Guys, it's France.
Hey, man. France gets a lot of American propaganda. We still don't even know what the truth is.
Coming from behind me. Oh, that's not good. Raul over here fucking just slaughtering them.
Well, I should... Yeah, Raul. Damn, Raul.
Dude, there's so many birds over there.
Mike, I
That.
think you're paying
All
attention to
shooting
the wrong
zombies.
thing right now.
No, there's a spot where they come from over here.
There's so many birds.
There's so many birds over there.
There is.
Mike, why are you just... Oh my god. Alright, so Mike is checked out. Where are the birds?
I switched.
Up here, flying in the sky? Is that what you were talking about? Doing what birds normally do?
So many.
Okay, yeah, there's not that many, buddy.
Yes, there is.
There's a normal amount.
There's someone guarding me. No.
Where are you?
Defending the gate that we were supposed to be defending.
Oh, are we supposed to be defending something?
I killed them all, don't worry.
Cool. I'm sorry, Mike and I were looking at birds.
We're good. Nothing's forming out here.
Hey, what is a... Okay, so there's a primary and a secondary.
Stay quiet.
What is the third?
It's the heavy weapons you pick up.
Yeah, but like, what is it called? Is it just called heavy, or is it like... thirdary?
Yep.
You know, am I stupid? I don't understand.
I think it's heavy.
Almost there. Fucking Zika everywhere.
I don't know.
Wait, are you just now responding to that question?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well,
One's looking at the birds again.
yeah. Buddy. We're not there anymore.
There's so
Daniel.
many birds.
There's just so many of them.
Shit.
There's something bad going on.
Ah!
Oh, shit.
That's why I screamed.
Hey, did we kill that? Okay, we didn't. Don't worry about
That's
it.
a good question.
How do I pick up my C4?
Just what I always
Whatever button you use exploded, if you get right on top of it, you press it. Pick it up.
No, I'm not.
Wait, are you being a Hellraiser too? There should only be one Hellraiser, okay? And that one is me. Whoop!
good riddance, creep.
Fuck that guy.
Oh my god. I saw
Why
it
do you keep doing that? He keeps putting down
Alright,
his
yeah,
C4.
you shouldn't be a Hellraiser, not because we don't need to, but because you shouldn't be allowed to have explosives.
This man is dangerous.
Ooh, crossbow.
No, do not touch that. Do not touch that crossbow.
Aye, why did you alert all the zombies in here, Raul?
You want the crossbow?
No, nobody wants the crossbow. It's explosive, and nobody benefits from it.
Ah!
I don't think that was necessary. Oh shit.
I don't think that was necessary. Warn me next time?
Warn you about what?
Can Mikey throw in explosives again?
Oh, Mike.
I was testing.
Oh, you were testing. Stop testing explosives. They're very dangerous.
Mikey, I already see a bird.
Oh my gosh, Mike. Are you gonna be able to contain yourself?
You guys could do all the shooting. I'm just gonna do the bird scouting.
Yeah. Are you gonna take up a career in bird watching after this?
Nope, just during.
Just
Do you have a
during.
bird watching?
He said
I'm
no,
gonna
just
follow you.
during.
Follow you on your bird watches and
All
shoot
right,
birds out of the
Megamind.
sky.
What do you got for us?
Bridge is too exposed.
Hello, my name is Mike, and my professional occupation is a temporary bird watcher.
It's full of.
Oh my god, Mike. Look to your left.
Stop moving forward.
Look to your left and look up.
They know we're here.
They're seagulls, not birds.
Are you stupid?
Just be right behind me.
Hang on, Mike. Let me look at you. Let me get a good look at you. Why do you have that haircut?
You can climb fences.
Honestly, if you had any other haircut other than that, you wouldn't be that
Shut the
bad.
fuck up, Brian. Help me.
Au revoir.
He's just getting messed up. Talking about my haircut.
I'm just saying, like, why would she choose that?
I'm sitting here like, Brian, come here. Before we move on, come here.
Hey, I got that kill, by the way, Mike. Wait, where are you at?
Oh, there's a crate over here. Okay, an MLG. Oh, it's a grenade launcher. I'll take that. But so I'm standing here, right? So
Mhm.
the boom landed on this side, and he's just staring at me through the fence, and I'm like, and I'm headshotting him. Starts climbing the fence, and that's I was like, oh no. I hear, why are you looking at my haircut? I'm like, what the fuck are you guys doing?
I need help over here. I'm getting messed up.
Been running, and you guys are just talking about his haircut.
I mean, he has a stupid haircut, does he not?
Intersection. Remote charge here. That bull is
The remote charge shoots by itself, or do you do that?
Nice.
Hello.
Oh, I do that. Yeah, I'm the one. I'm the one who does that.
Why did I just fall off that ledge? Excuse me.
Which means I have perfect timing all the time.
I'm in the factory.
That's why you have the C4, not
Yes.
me.
This is why I am the Hellraiser.
That is mine.
Game time.
I mean, I don't
I
see
mean,
your
any
name on it.
explosive.
Hey, Hayden, come here.
Daddy.
Come here.
There's zombies chasing me. Oh bueno. Okay, why did that close?
Here. Oh my god.
Come here, and I walked over and it closed.
Never mind, I guess.
Yeah, you keep saying boomer.
Left 4 Dead's really got me fucked up, and that's not even a boomer in Left 4 Dead, which is why I'm confused.
It is not. The gas mask is closer to being a boomer. I'm sure he's got it.
Oh, we're getting fucked up by this guy.
Yeah, he's just
I
taking it.
didn't come here for a tour.
Champ, Raul. I need Raul on our team forward.
Yeah.
This is going to hurt.
Here, let me shoot it once.
Talk about this. You're not allowed to use the explosives.
Yeah, that is too dangerous for your little brain.
I found
For your
missiles.
age group.
Take me out of the
Shit,
turret.
that's a lot.
You'll get to fire the missiles when you're older.
They're trying to get in here. Help!
Oh crap. Okay.
Gasbird. What the fuck is Gasbird?
The friendly ghost.
Hey, Brian, I loaded the missiles. Or, Mikey, if you want to do it, you're right here. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
I'm about to die, so you guys go ahead and do
I'm
it.
gonna go save Brian.
Yeah, I'm cold-blooded.
Actually, I should be good.
Oh wait, what the?
Mikey, fuck. This is why you're not allowed to touch things.
How do?
This is gonna slow this
Where do I aim it at?
Yes.
At the spots that are glowing red.
I
Don't shoot it, I'll do it. I'm going. Guard me.
Oh my god.
Me.
Guys,
I'm
we
gonna
gotta
save it.
save,
Hit it. Please hit
Casper.
it. Did not go anywhere near where I wanted it to.
Oh yeah, now he's not allowed to touch it.
Wait. Who's down?
Me.
You're down?
Raul,
Oh,
This
shit.
dude getting beat too.
when we're down. Raul, I'm coming.
Yeah. Raoul, hang in there, buddy.
Alright, I can pick them both up real quick if you want to guard me.
Okay.
Behind you.
Can I pick him up? Oh, you did. I'm
Uh,
out of ammo. Bad.
well, that sucks.
Arm those launchers now!
Oh. 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 Where's Raul?
Goodbye,
Raul!
Raoul.
Oh.
Just screaming for him.
Yo, Raul's the best AI player we've had.
He is.
If you can't
I
tell,
wasted a health pack
he's
about him.
sentimental.
Dude, he's a better player than me.
No, he doesn't fuck with explosives.
Yeah, he doesn't act like a pro.
Launcher.
Yeah, Raoul doesn't even like birds.
I'm gonna need you.
See, but I'm having too much fun just leaving you guys in the dark.
Dude, I can't see anything.
Thankful that my reticle turns red when zombies step in front of me.
Ow, ow.
Oh, I got thrown up on.
Lurker's dead.
Oh shit.
God.
Remote charge hit.
Shine that
Bullet.
light over here.
Shit, where are they coming from?
The big tunnel in front of us.
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
You
Who
say
talking
yeah.
to? Yeah, who are you talking to?
On me.
This tunnel.
You guys cover me, I'm closing the gate.
The gate's not moving. Fighter breaker box.
Yeah, you suck, Mikey. You can't even close the gate.
An idiot.
I feel like I could probably compute the headshots if I wasn't fucking lagging.
Yeah, but I'd still be the best. I have, you know.
How much
know.
do you lag?
But yeah, my Team Fortress 2 inventory is better than yours.
That might be true. You should give me.
yeah.
You should give me
Oh.
your inventory.
Oh yeah, I
fuck
don't
yeah.
have almost anything on TF2.
You know they got rid of Outpost. There's no TF2 Outpost anymore.
The
Really? That
trading
sucks.
one?
Yeah, it fucking sucks. Like the trading's just gone. Like
TF2 Outpost go? Did they computers just shut down because they didn't want to do it anymore?
yeah, I guess they just don't do it anymore. I don't know. But they shut it down. I don't. But
How
like
much keys are worth right now? I'm looking.
Not going in.
like
Oh my god.
32 or something.
53 ref.
Oh my god, what?
Get to the evac center and get the fuck out of New York, or we die here.
I don't like him.
That is ridiculous.
Well, I'll put it to you this way, Mikey.
We're going for it.
Sure,
Find the subway to
sure, ref
Gateway.
is dollars.
Over.
So a key is worth $53.
Oh,
Except it's
When I
act-
started, it's not actually $1 per ref. It's an example so that you understand. When I started playing Team Fortress 2, keys were 1.33 ref. So picture this as being $1.33.
so basically we're paying 53 ref for something that's worth 1.
Still enjoy like the capture the flag and stuff.
And that is the beauty of capitalism. Is that
Oh my
everything
God, I
is
almost died.
unfair and sucks.
What?
So that's the hardest difficulty.
That was stupid.